Before watching this video, please subscribe this channel and click on bell icon to get the notifications for the upcoming classes.
Bits in the reflection of light in 2015. The negative sign in magnification indicates that the image is negative sign magnification is equal to image distance by object distance. Here negative sign indicates inverted image, that is inverted. An object of 4 centimeters in size placed at a distance of 20 centimeters in front of the concave mirror of radius of curvature 30 centimeters. The position of the image is, here radius of curvature r is equal to 30 centimeters and object 4 centimeters in size, object distance is 4 centimeters, object size and HO, height of the object is 4 centimeters, is placed at a distance. The object distance is denoted by u is 20 centimeters in front of the concave mirror. The position of image and image distance will be calculated here. Therefore, magnification is equal to image distance by object distance. Radius of curvature is equal to 30 centimeter. Radius of curvature is equal to double of the focal length. 2f equal to 30. Focal length is equal to 15 centimeters. Therefore, mirror formula 1 by f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. Therefore, 1 by 15 is equal to 1 by 20 plus 1 by v. Therefore, 1 by 15 minus 1 by 20 is equal to 1 by v. Therefore, 60 is the LCM. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1 by 8. 1 by 60 is equal to 1 by v. Therefore, image distance is equal to 60 centimeters. Okay, the sign is minus 60. The angle of incidence of light ray on plane mirror is 45 degrees. The angle between the incident ray and reflected ray is, the angle of incidence in reflection loss, angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection is equal to 45 degrees. The angle between the incident ray and reflected ray, therefore, this is an incident ray, this is a reflected ray, this is a normal. This I r, incident ray, reflected ray is I plus r, is equal to 45 plus 45 equal to 90 degrees. Option 3. Now in 2016. In 2016, the angle of incidence of light ray on plane surface is 30 degrees. The angle of refraction is equal to, law of reflection, angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. That is angle of incidence 30 degrees. Also angle of refraction is equal to 30 degrees. Option is equal to 30. The nature of image formed by concave mirror when the object is placed between the mirror and the focus. When the object is placed between the mirror and the focus. Here, the nature of image formed by a concave mirror when the object is placed between the mirror and focus, ante between P and F, image is erected image and virtual image. Erected image and virtual image. Virtual and erected. Option 4 is correct. The radius of curvature of the concave mirror is 50 centimeters. The radius of curvature of concave mirror is 50 centimeters. The focal length is, radius of curvature is equal to double of the focal length, that is 50 is equal to 2f, f is equal to 25 centimeters. Second option is correct. Okay. Now in 2017, from reflection of light, which among the following used by dentist to see the image? Which among the following used in a dentist to see the image? That is a concave mirror. Option number 2. If u and v be the object and image distances for spherical mirror, then magnification is equal to negative sign of image distance by object distance, that is minus v by u. Option 4. The distance between the pole and focal point of a concave mirror is 15 centimeters. The radius of the curvature is, the distance between pole and focal point. Pole and focal point is called as focal length, that is 15 centimeters. The radius of curvature is equal to 2f. And 2 into 15 is equal to 30 centimeters. Third one is the correct option. Read the following two statements and pick up the correct statement. Real image can be captured on the scan. It is true. Virtual image can be captured on the scan. It is false. And option A is true, B is false. Only A is true. Option 3 is the correct option. Now in 2019, A clock shows 3 hours and 5 minutes. When screen through a plane mirror, the time appears to be. A plane mirror possesses the lateral inversion. That is, a clock shows 3 hours and 15 minutes. This is a 12, this is a 3, this is a 6, this is a 9. 5, 10, 15. That means clock shows 5, 3 hours and 50. The hour indicator. This is a minutes hand. 3 hours 5 minutes. It has a lateral inversion. That is 3 is inverted here. That means here 9. Approximately 9. Here 5 means this lateral inversion is 8. At near to 9 ante 8. This is a 55 minutes. 8:55 minutes. And a clock shows 3 hours 5 minutes. When see through a plane mirror, the time appears to be 8 hours and 55 minutes using the lateral inversion property. The magnification of an object height 1 meter using a spherical mirror is 1.5. The size of the image is, the magnification is equal to size of image, that is height of image, by size of object, that is height of object. Here magnification is giving that 1.5 is equal to object height is 1 meter. Therefore object height is 1 meter. Find the image height. Therefore image height is equal to 1 into 1.5, that is 1.5 meters. Image height is 1.5 meters. The type of meters used by Archimedes burning the ships, concave mirrors. The concave mirrors are used by Archimedes to burning the ships.
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel and click on bell icon to get the notifications for the upcoming classes. And share this